There are the following accessories available: chamber, oxygen concentrator and air compressor, air cooler, internal frame, anti-roller, tubes, oxygen mask, silencer, internal and external pressure gauge, user manual, mattress and pillow, unfold the oxygen chamber and place it on an anti-roller. Install external pressure gauge. Internal pressure gauge need to equipped with accessories. Install internal pressure gauge. Connect the water drainer and electric wire. There have 4 tubes, 2 thick and 2 thin. First thick tube connect air outlet. Machine air outlet connect wet air in. Dry air out connect chamber. The thick access port. Oxygen outlet connect left access ports. Air return connect other access ports. Plug in power supply. Turn on machine switch. We can also keep pressing, hands not leave machine, until to 90 minutes. We need to make sure manual pressure relief valve is closed before enter into chamber. Install internal frame. Start by assembling the round frame at both ends, attaching the connector and fixing the frame. Once the 2 end round frames are secure, attach the connector to the round frame and assemble the flank support. Ensure that all connectors are tightened securely. Install internal frame after pressure read. Process same as shown outside. Note: it need to open the manual pressure relief valve after installed internal frame in the cabin. Silencer plug in left access ports. Install adapter. Then connect oxygen mask. Place padded mat into the chamber and position evenly. we need to make sure manual pressure relief valve is closed before enter into chamber. In emergency situations, manual pressure relief valves can be used to release pressure from the pressure chamber. Now, we can enjoy our oxygen therapy journey. Pressure will be released automatically when time's up.